So this is the PRNDL display on the 2005 GMC Yukon XL. If I get real close, you can barely see it. You can just barely see it. If you get way out here during the day, you can't see shit. So we're going to resolder the resistors. There are a couple of resistors in there. I'll show you here in just a second. Alright, so first things first, that comes off. And then you take off 1, 2, 3, and number 4. And just like that, we've got our lights back in the daytime. Yeah, look at that. Don't worry about that flickering. That's just an artifact of the frame rate, having to adjust for the light. See? Cool. All right.